I guess we can all see the problem here. So today we are replacing my original LED logo projectors, and yeah, these are OEM, with some cheap, anticlimactic AliExpress knockoffs. So to start this tutorial on how to change those puddle lights, we'll go back here. These are the original puddle lights that your car comes with, and they simply shine over here at night. To start this off, we need a small 90-degree pick tool and need to place it exactly in the place I'm showing you on the video. Here's a little slot for it. Just like that, you pry it out, pull it, then push this little tab downwards and you can pull the clip, or actually you can push it from here. We will do this again on the front, and here I'm not scared to damage this part, and I actually was wrong. This is a knockoff part, and it's a very bad knockoff AliExpress part. As you can see, it doesn't really want to come out that easily. Now that was scary, but I think we are good, I hope. Treat this as a scenario how things can go wrong when you use the cheap versions or even cheaper versions of knockoffs from AliExpress. And this is super hot, by the way. I don't know where is my original LED projector. I will check the left side. Okay, anyway, my original idea was to show you the comparison of the original floodlight of the cheap AliExpress ones and the original Audi one, but I don't have the original Audi one. What I was trying to prove that the original Audi one went bad very fast, and I will show you a picture on how the original Audi one looks like. And today we'll install those two, which are supposedly the never fade HD versions of that. And what I like straight away, this part is metal, so maybe it will radiate the heat away much better. So the old ones as well had like this style of kinda cheeky connections. The newer ones have both connector styles. So for A4, which we are working on today, this is the smaller connector on top over here. So let's go ahead and install that and compare it to the old ones. So this should go pretty easy, right? Let's try to put in the connector. Okay, it's already shining the Audi logo. Shove it back in like so, and I'm pretty sure that it went in much smoother. Let's see the results. And this is how it looks like. The quality is pretty good, not the best. You can see here that it kind of fades away, I would say. I don't remember how the original Audi projectors were, but those are like 1/8 of a price of those. So I left this one hanging to see whether it heats up, and yeah, it still heats up pretty badly. So this might be a concern for you. If anybody in the comments knows why this happens, so when those are actually LEDs are supposed to not emit much heat. I don't know. Let me know in the description below why is that so. Is it because of the projector thing?